Hello Daz Studio enthusiasts, and welcome to my tutorial series. Now today I thought I would ask a little challenge here because I haven't done a challenge video in quite some time. I've been kind of caught up making some other videos. I thought I would address our settings tool up here at the top of the screen. And there's some that I prefer, and there's some that I really don't know what the difference is, and this is why I thought I would make this a challenge. So, first of all, I really do prefer this node selection tool, and that allows me to click on objects within the scene. I don't really care for this one, which is the universal tool, which gives you these arrows. And I know probably some of you like this because you can use the arrows to move your objects. I prefer to move my objects in the parameters tab and not using this. This just takes up space where I'm trying to work, and I don't really like it. Another interesting tool is the scene navigator tool. When you click on it, you can move around your scene in kind of a 360-degree direction. And what's cool about this is it doesn't move the camera at all. It just spins it. So see, we go right back to Milica here. The ones that I'm not quite sure of that I use and like are this translate tool, and then we've got the rotate tool and this active pose tool. Now, if I select Milica and I go to one of these, such as the rotate tool, we can click on her and then we can rotate things. I mean, I understand that you can make poses with it. I'm just curious as to how much all of you out there are using these. I mean, do you use this to adjust poses? I guess we get some more natural. It's kind of like if we go back to our selection node and then select on like our character's head, and then we have our little dial here where I've used this a lot more, where I can get a more natural pose perhaps, or I can just change the pose a little bit. So what are you doing with this rotation tool? And as well, this translation tool or translate tool, it's kind of the same deal where we can click on our character and move her around. I mean, I guess this is kind of cool, but I'm just wondering, like, do you get more natural poses this way? Because she gets all contorted and looks like she's doing some weird dance or something. I'm just saying I don't hardly ever use this stuff. I don't really touch it. Along with this scale tool. I've been playing with the scale tool, and I thought it would resize things, but it doesn't. It just kind of moves her around again. So what are you using these for? Honestly, I don't use them. If they have a good purpose, I would love to start using them if they can come in handy. As we go kind of down this row here, the next one is the active pose tool. Then we have this animate to tool. I don't really do a lot of animation. I want to get into animation, but I haven't yet, so we'll skip that one. Then we have the surface selection tool, which will select different surfaces. What are you using this for? Is this for textures? I'm just curious. I mean, I am definitely no expert at Daz Studio, and I stick with what I know for a lot of stuff. And I've never used this, so I'm just asking what it's for. And then this last one is the region navigator tool. What the heck is this for? We can select parts of her body, and like I can select all of her here, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. So I would love to get some insight on some of these tools that are in our toolbar. And if you know what they're for and you know that they have a good application, please chime in, comment, and let me know. This is a short video on this Tuesday, but it's a challenge video. The challenge is explain what these different toolbars are for. Because I gotta say, I just select this node selection tool, and that's how I navigate almost everything. So I'd love your input. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm really pleased with the subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that like and subscribe button and help my little channel out. All right, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you on Friday.